now I am going to explain you how to grab a still frame from your incoming video sources. So for that you have to go file menu, not file menu, sorry, still menu, and here still. So you can see in my display the still menu has been opened. Now enter into the still or clip. You can see here still 1 is frame. It can be changed to clip if we want to grab a clip. So I am showing you how to grab a frame. There are two still 2 also, frame, clip, which we want to grab. Suppose in still 1 and still 2 both store, in both store we want to grab frame. And you can see the fill source keep it for safety purpose in preview. It means what sources in your preview this will grab. Got it? So to grab it, just press here still 1. So you can see in my preview is this, and you can see my still 1, still 2, something else, but I want to grab my preview in still 1 as well as in still 2. So for that have to press F1. You can see in my still right now, still 1, it is grabbed. And now I am changing my previews. And this frame I would like to store in still 2. So same, press. After briefing, you can see in my still 2 the preview sources has been grabbed. So in this way you can grab a frame from your incoming video sources. Now I would like to explain you how to grab video clip into my still 1 or still 2 store. So for that, same still menu is here. Go to still 1 should be clip. If I want to store in still 2, then it should be clip. So in still 1 and still 2 we are now able to store a video clip from incoming sources. Which sources? Which one is my preview? This source will be grabbed in still 1 and still 2 individually. Okay, first check still 1 as a clip. Then go to the next page. Here you have to go how many frame you would like to grab. Suppose I am giving 75 frame. Got it? And in still 2 I am giving 100 frames. Got it? Not 100 frames, actually it's starting from 0 to 100. It means 101 frames. So go to the next page. Here you can see in still 2, still 1, press record. So up to 75 it will go, 76 because starting from 0. It is in playback mode because loop play is on here. So stop it. And now grab the still 2. Okay, first let's check the still 1. Okay, so still 1 is here. If I play it from here, you can see still 1 is moving up to 75 frame. Not 75, 76 frame. Same clip will be repeated because loop play is on. Now I would like to store a clip or grab a clip in still 2. Which source is in my preview? Let's change it. This source, this window grill will store in my clip 2. So for that I am just stop my still 1, go to the still 2, start record. It will go up to 100, not 100, 101, because start from 0. Yes, 101. You can see still 2. If I press play from here, you can see it's moving. Playback off because loop play is off. Let me play loop play on. How to loop play on? Go to the next page. Loop play on. Then go to previous page. Press play. Then you can see still 2 will automatically repeatedly play. So in this way you can grab your incoming sources into still 1 or still 2.